ago here in our garden, I discovered a bird nest up in our tree. And I took pictures of a little bitty pink speckled eggs that were inside. Well, it's been a few weeks now, and inside, instead of little bitty pink speckled eggs, are little bitty baby birds, 3 of them. And we saw this morning a northern cardinal coming to the nest of these 3 little baby birds, feeding them with some insects. And so the Lord has given us a new blessing, the blessing of these little birds that He cares for. As it says in the Bible, how He cares for them. It talks about it in the book of Matthew. How He cares for even the smallest creatures. He feeds them and makes sure that they won't fall. And none of them fall without Him seeing. And He cares for you even more. Isn't He a wonderful Lord? Little babies.